Little steps, buddy. Cadence, focus. You're distracting him. You're going to make him fall. Little steps. Take a step. Take a step. You're going to fall.
One step at a time.
There you go.
1, 2.
Cadence, let him walk. Don't stop him, baby. Oh man, buddy. You had a big night, attacking the kitchen and working with the push toy. Ooh, good catch. Nice save.